An important retouching tool which allows you to attach additional elements to the picture is the clone stamp tool. It is convenient for the filling of patchy areas, for example hair or grass, and the removal of unwanted objects. It works in a way similar to the other tools we mentioned for the removal of unwanted objects. You can find it right next to the brush in the toolbox. Just like the other tools used for erasing parts of the image, like the normal drawing brush, the clone stamp has a hardness setting. The result you're going to get while drawing depends on the hardness of the brush. The sharper the edges of the brush, the more visible the boundaries of the added element. To select the area you want to clone from, the same way you do with the healing brush tool, you need to hold Alt on your keyboard and left-click. Then release Alt. You can see how the brush indicates the area you have cloned from. Try it out in order to see the result you will get. In fact, this tool works by cloning from one area to another. Let's see how we can put it to use. A piece of good advice for working with this tool is to try and subtract from different areas in order to avoid repetitions so that the image doesn't appear strange or altered. Furthermore, while working with this brush, you can change its size and hardness and get varying results. When you've achieved what you've wished for and are happy with the result, just save the picture.